First, will he or won't he? We're still waiting for a judge's decision whether the search warrant in the East Area Rapist case will be unsealed. And that decision is in limbo tonight. Thanks for joining us. I'm Curtis Ming.
And I'm Christina Janes. CBS 13's Lamore Abrams is in court. So, Lamore, what has the judge said so far?
We just stepped out of the courtroom where the judge briefed the media, and he has decided to release some of these search and arrest warrant records. However, we still don't know how much we'll see. Most of it, some of it, will be redacted. I want to bring in Duffy Carolyn. She's the media attorney representing several media outlets that asked for these documents to be public, to be made public. So what happened in there for about 4 hours today?
Well, the court is working diligently, going through paragraph by paragraph of the warrant materials, in particular the affidavits of the officers, the investigating officers, deciding what can be made public and what perhaps may be sealed to protect the defendant's fair trial rights, trying to balance those interests, the public's right of access to judicial records against the defendant's fair trial rights.
So inside, the judge said that he's not opposed to releasing the documents. In fact, he said that he will release the documents. The question is still how much we'll get to see. Did he hint toward what he might redact? You will be arguing that case tomorrow, correct?
Right. We have already argued before the court the other day. Tomorrow he's going to ask for any further follow-up arguments. He may give some indication of where he's ruling or what questions he may have that we'll be able to address at that time. But I understand he'll be prepared to rule tomorrow, and then a set of documents will be prepared for release soon after that, hopefully tomorrow.
Duffy, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate your time. That was Duffy Carolyn. Again, she's the attorney representing several media outlets who have asked to see these search and arrest warrant records. Again, the judge will meet tomorrow afternoon, as you heard from Carolyn. He will meet at 1:30. The attorneys will go back in chambers and argue their case once again. Again, this is a case really centering around the media's First Amendment right to the freedom of the press versus a defendant's right to a fair trial. We'll hear more tomorrow. Back to you in the studio.
More to come on this. Lamore, thanks. Now